What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We got some Hot Wheels cars to show you. Not Tamika or Maze or Matchbox, but they are very good. Let me just show you this. Jacobs El Camino 67 Camaro art car. We got a Honda NSX, another one. Give away one of the red ones, but I got the red one back on eBay, but I'm gonna do the blue one because it's cheaper in newer time. The Celica is a little expensive, but I want that. And this is the best one. The one I pick up today. The Ford Angela from Harry Potter. This is the racing car. This is not the road car. Got a Nissan 5-pack. Give away the red 620, but got one. I got another one just in case. But yeah, because I just want these other 4 cars. The Datsun 240 said. Nissan Silvia S15, Skyline R32, and 620. He said, we're going to start off with the Camaro. It's beautiful. Beautiful Camaro. I don't want to put my fingers in the way, but okay. Got this little Aston Martin book. Let me just show you. Before I want to show you, I want to show you this Aston Martin book. I'll never show you a couple books. Look at that. Deerfield fans, seen that? I had this almost 6 years ago. These are older cards. The newer one's a DB12 and DB11. It doesn't have a DB12 or DB11 on there, or the DB10 from Spectre, which was driven by Daniel Craig. It was not his car, it was 009's car. The Valhalla was just used behind the scenes in Scotland, which it could have been a deleted scene in No Time to Die. Driven by the new 007, which is a girl. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Pierce Brosnan one, we got a Daniel Craig one. Hey, Ben Combs drove that in the stunt. Same one from Fast and Furious and Old Top Gear. Stig, ex-Stig, who was a Fast and Furious and James Bond stunt driver, and Le Mans 66 stunt driver, and Batman stunt driver. Good thing he didn't pass away in one of those Batman stunts, because I heard a film car crash into a tree by passing away one of the film crew in The Dark Knight 2008. DBR9. Yeah, okay. Lagonda. Okay, Virage. Okay, stop. Okay, we got white wall tires. A Camaro's art on the design of the car, which is amazing. It says R. Very good. Okay. Put that back on there. Okay, our next one is the Honda. Okay, this is the next one. It is a Honda NSX. Camaro over there, but the NSX. Okay. But look at the Toyota over there. But never mind. It's gonna be hard with one hand, but okay. I gotta wait to get through this stuff. Alright. There we go. Honda NSX. Race car version. Honda. It says Acura on there because of the American sold one, but look at the right-hand drive. This is the UK sold Honda version. A UK Honda, but fitted with Acura logos and some modifications. This is a Honda NSX. Yep. Speaking of UK sold, we got these are UK sold, but this is not UK sold. I'm gonna get that for a second. Before then, for the Harry Potter and the Fast and Furious car. This is another Fast and Furious car, but I want to save those two for last. These two Americans for last. But this is just so and built in the UK, but it's still American, but never been sold in the US. Well, this is sold in the US, built in Japan, sold in the US and UK, and Japan. Yeah, the one I was talking about which is not sold in the US is this little Ford. But this is not a Ford we're talking about over here, this is a Toyota Celica. Very good, very special, Toyota Celica. I have, look, a lot of stuff to take out, but okay. But yeah, the Celica's little package is big. We talk about the packaging. It has 5 cars. 1 and 3 I not care about. I don't like the Accord too much. I don't like the Nissan Zed. Pulled out in the UK, but I'm not a fan of it. I'm not a fan of this Porsche. It's ugly. The 935. Yep. But I'm a fan of the Toyota and the Ford. Whoa. That's stuck a little bit. Okay, there we go. Got the Celica. Rubber tires! Yeah! Rubber tires. Yeah! Yes! Yes! It's still good. I don't know what you see, but it could be right-hand drive. No, it was left-hand drive. Okay, let's park it over here. But this is the second to last one. UK sold, but I'll save that one for last because it's Fast and Furious. But this is a Harry Potter car. Forgot the actors' names who was in that one, which is chasing by a train. The packaging looks good. Looks like it's a Fast and Furious race scene, or Need for Speed race scene. And okay, the Ford. Rubber tires. Pretty art on wheels. But okay, the Ford Angela. Yep, I love it. On the John Christopher Aston Martin book. Okay, park right beside the Celica, but last one I want to show you is this. The Chevrolet El Camino 1967 from Fast and Furious 10. Which is driven by Jacob, who's voiced by John Cena. Pretty good. It has the cannon on there to get those bad guys who are working with Dante and Ames, who are trying to get rid of Dom and his family after they stole the valet from his dad, Hernan Reyes. Yep. I heard in the wiki, Hot Wheels Wiki, this was removable. Let me just pause it. If you see it's removable. Yeah, I was right. It was removable. See that? Feels like something else from another movie. But yep, I put it back on to be like John Cena. Okay. Yep. This one who saved Little B, which are in Portugal, huh? Which is Little Brian. Little B. But sadly, it got destroyed. When it did that, you see that, and it's trying to clear the way for Dom, and he passed away. Maybe he's still alive. I don't know. I don't know if Jacob was still alive. If the actor's still alive, John Cena, the character probably dead or alive, but this is the one Dom took in the impound lot. Vin Diesel. Okay, I'm gonna last show you these cars, but I need to show you this. Nissan 5-pack. I'm gonna pause you there to show you what it is. We got the Nissan 5-pack out with a beautiful art of a Datsun 240 set doing a drift. We got Fair Ladies said that is a Datsun 240 set. Datsun 620. We got 2 Datsuns and with 3 regular Nissans. camera's just glitching. Sorry about that. Sorry about the glitch. Yep. Sorry about glitching out, but Sylvia, Skyline R32, and Skyline HT2 2000 GTX. Okay, we got all the cars on YouTube. Let's see that in the collection finally on YouTube. Let's see that. Great to see this. I love this one. I will go with the Skyline R32 because it's a Fast and Furious car. It's a funeral one, another Fast and Furious car. Furious 7 was in black with a fake Han Liz death because he got rescued by Mr. Nobody and took care of L. Which Mr. Nobody is voiced by Kurt Russell. Anna Slade, that's the girl who voices L. Sorry about the glitching, dude. Darn it. This is Isabel, which is Alana's sister, which got blown up by Dante, which was in yellow. Voiced by Jason Morana. And who team up with Ames, who's voiced by Alan Rushman. Yep. Enough of that. Hope you enjoyed the video much as I have. You know that Angel, remember the Harry Potter started with Starry Price car and O-Top here with Jeremy Clarkson, James Maine, which haven't on season 15. Dassin, it's got a scratch on that. But I hope you enjoyed as much as I have. Maybe I just did it like this way. I'm gonna drop it today. But thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Put the bell icon for notifications. And I'll see you later. Bye.